Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can edit a post on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in your device. Then find the post which you want to edit. Next, tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on Edit Post. After that, you can edit your post by writing something. You can also change the audience if you want to. After that, tap on Save. So, this is how you can edit a post on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.